Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu, Rover on Roblox PC. First, open Roblox and search for Asu, Rover to find the game. Once you've found it, make sure your PC meets the basic system requirements for Roblox to ensure a smooth experience. Then, launch the game and take a moment to adjust your in-game settings like audio and graphics to your personal preferences for optimal performance. Now, let's dive into the core gameplay. Asu. Rover involves clicking circles that appear on screen, precisely timed to the music's beat. You'll also encounter sliders. For these, you need to click and drag your cursor along the designated path until the slider ends. Finally, spinners require you to rapidly move your mouse in a circular motion to fill a meter before the time runs out. To truly master Asu, Rover, consistent practice is key. Try playing a variety of beat maps with different difficulty levels to sharpen your rhythm and reaction time. Experiment with your mouse sensitivity settings to find what feels most precise and comfortable for you. Also, learn and utilize the available keyboard shortcuts for actions like pausing or restarting, which can significantly improve your efficiency during gameplay. Beyond the gameplay, Asu, Rover offers customization options. You can explore various custom skins and hit sounds to personalize your visual and auditory experience, making the game uniquely yours. Don't forget to engage with the Asu, Rover community. It's a great place to find new beat maps, share strategies, and connect with other players. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.